Hi everyone, this is Celeste. I'm gonna quickly show you what moisturizer that I've been using. It's like for almost 8 months. Okay, so this is the product. So this is called the Dr.Rashel Vitamin C Face Cream, Brightening Dewy Skin. This is 50 ml. So what are the benefits? It has brightening, anti-melasma, anti-aging, smoothening, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and it stimulates the production of collagen. It is very moisturizing and it reveals the natural, healthy looking glow. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys. So this is my bare face. So this is how it looks like. And it smells so good. It really smells like fruit or vitamin C. So what I do, I spread it out. On my face. La 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 la. Don't forget your neck. Okay. So I always spread it first on my neck and the nape. And then, let me see, I make sure everything has it, and then spread it out, tap. Wow, you see the dewy look? So this is very moisturizing. Wow. So you can use this with your other skincare products and your skin will be very moisturized. So you can use this in any time of the year, even if it's summertime, fall, especially winter time. So do you see this dewy look? Wow. So there you go. That's why Dr.Rashel Vitamin C is really my favorite. Okay, and then to complete the look, I'm gonna put on my red lipstick. And then let us see. Even if you don't have foundation. Oops. And there you go. Thank you for watching.